Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. It's your number one favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. If you're watching this video for the very first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Please and please like, comment and turn on your notification bell so as to get new notifications that I drop in new videos. It's no longer news that season 6 of the Big Brother NAIJA Shine Your Eye has begun, and then the housemates had the opportunity to speak with Big Brother one-on-one in their first diary section.
And what are your thoughts about the other housemates?
I really like them because, we had the whole introduction thing yesterday, and when I shared my story in quotes, they were really supportive. So far, I don't have anybody that I don't think I can vibe.
Okay, guys, the housemates were able to communicate with Big Brother, speak their minds, make their requests to Big Brother in their first diary section. Yeah, some of them said some kind of pitiful things, some were so excited, some were very thankful, and some others as well made requests. Okay, Boma Emmanuel is one of the housemates that entered into the diary section room, and in his word he said he likes Maria. That she had great communication skills. It's so amazing how most of them actually like Maria and some of them doesn't really like her. That's great. That's great. So he was like, he see himself bonding very well with Maria. Wait, should that mean that Poma is crushing on Maria? Okay, guys, I didn't say that. So anyway, I'm just thinking, in my own opinion. So any other could be yours. Okay, Saga said Big Brother NAIJA seems to remind him a lot about some things, and some persons seems to remind him a lot about himself. You understand, and that he actually likes the fact that he's actually in the house, and was very thankful to Big Brother for let in and giving him the opportunity to be in the house. Yeah. He also revealed that he has suffered what could be tagged as heartbreak, so he wouldn't want to have so much issues again being in the house. Does this now mean that he's not going to go into any entanglement or relationship or trapezium, a bit triangle or situationship with anybody in the house because he has had heartbreak before? We don't know. Yusuf said he was still finding it difficult to get along with the whole thing in the house, with the whole palaver, the whole wahala. He was just he's still finding it difficult to flow, that he has not really guard his feet, he has not really been stabilized, and he feels that his own actions may not be late in the way he's feeling. His disposition will not be, he's not good for the other housemate around him, that maybe he's giving them bad energy. Well, Biggie actually did well to encourage him, just to stir him up, that he should always feel free while in the Big Brother house. Jackie B said she's very happy and she sees herself bonding with Angel, Peace and Nini. Okay, they are well almost all females. She see herself bonding with them and that they are cool, they have good vibes, she understands them very well, they understand her very well. It's okay. Sammy said that he felt that some people came to the house with fake stories because they want sympathy and the likes. And even he himself, another person even talked that he himself they feel that he too is lying because he said he came to Big Brother NAIJA house with only 900 naira. So who is lying to who? At the end of the show, get to know the real gist. Sammy, if you know it's 900 naira you came to Big Brother NAIJA, make sure you remain change because you are going to leave tomorrow, and then you use the remaining change to go back to where you are come from. Okay, guys, let's go. Beatrice says that she see herself bonding with Boma because they are from the south and he is a Port Harcourt bred, just like herself. Okay, it's quite cool how some of them get to click to each other because of their geographical region. Some of them click to each other from because of they attended the same school. Some of them click to each other maybe because of they've been to one place or the other that they might have also been to. Yeah, it was quite a wonderful moment. Okay, Angel now made a request to Big Brother. I think she said her mouth, her microphone wire was exposed and she needed a covering, a tape or something. But I hope that Big Brother was actually going to make a change for her, not just giving her tape to lock it up. Okay, White Money request was so amazing. Seriously. Okay, he told Big Brother he actually loves cooking and there were some ingredients that it's not in the house of which he would love Big Brother to provide, or if there were ingredients they are supposed to purchase themselves, he would do well to purchase that. Ask me what it was. Crayfish and fresh pepper to prepare African dishes. Wow, that was out of the blue. Like I didn't see it coming. Seriously, like the request was wow. It was cool. Sha. He also liked the fact that he's in the show. He liked everybody, the way they are vibing together and getting along. Okay, one thing most common about most of them in the house was the question Big Brother actually asked them, which was they have been in isolation, in a lockdown for 2 weeks in the hotel room. You not see anybody, you not watch television, you not see social media. Your phone is not with you, not only you inside your hotel room with nothing, only Bible that the hotel person keep inside there. Ló bá tán. Okay, let's comment down below. Let's vibe together. Let's see how you would have felt if it was to be you locked down for 2 weeks. Biggie had to ask them what they learned from the 2 weeks lockdown, personally, their experience, and it was so amazing that most of them had to make that comment that okay, they were able to think. Some of them were able to think. They were able to see themselves for who they really are outside friends and outside the world. Some of them was able to adapt. Someone learned adaptation in the process, which is we human beings, we could adapt to any situation or any circumstances we find ourselves in. Person in his word said at a point he was feeling like how will I cope down my phone, but he was able to adapt and he's out and he's in the house. Yeah, many of them also learned how to sleep, play. Somebody like white money read Bible pali to pali. After reading Bible you offload his clothes, put it back, offload it. Okay, somebody had a long bath. Someone will go to the bathroom and bathe for like 1 hour 30 minutes in the bathroom, so you would just feel as if no, the day is running. It was quite an amazing experience for each and every one of them. Yeah, the diary room section actually ended and it was a wonderful and pleasant one, as all the housemates were very very excited to be in the house and to have had a one-on-one communication with Big Brother. Until next time, please stay tuned with me. This is still your number one favorite YouTube channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Please, if you're watching this channel for the very first time, you're seeing me for the very first time, this is NAIJA News and Entertainment. Do well to subscribe, like, turn on your notification bell, share, and comment down below. Until next time.